Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a super popular ingredient in cooking and natural medicine, ginger. Although known for its health benefits, certain medical conditions make ginger consumption unsuitable. Let's explore who should be cautious when including ginger in their diet. Ginger, known for its medicinal properties and spicy flavor, is a widely used root in cooking and traditional medicine worldwide. However, for some people, its consumption may not be suitable due to certain health conditions. Individuals with blood clotting issues should be cautious when consuming ginger. This root contains substances that can thin the blood and interfere with certain anticoagulant medications. For those already struggling with blood clotting, ginger could exacerbate the situation, increasing the risk of hemorrhages. Moreover, people with gastrointestinal health disorders such as stomach ulcers or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, may experience irritation in the digestive tract when consuming ginger. Its spicy nature might cause discomfort, heartburn, or worsen the burning sensation associated with these conditions. Individuals about to undergo surgery should avoid consuming ginger for a period before the procedure. Due to its blood-thinning properties, ginger can interfere with blood clotting during surgery and the healing process afterward. Pregnant women should use ginger in moderation. Although commonly used to relieve nausea during pregnancy, excessive doses may have adverse effects. It's always advisable to consult a doctor before using any natural remedies, including ginger, during pregnancy. For individuals with specific health conditions like diabetes or low blood pressure, closely monitoring ginger consumption is crucial. Ginger can affect blood sugar levels and blood pressure, which could be problematic for those already struggling to maintain these levels. In any case, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before adding ginger to the diet, especially if there are concerns about pre-existing medical conditions. A doctor can provide specific guidance based on each person's individual health condition, helping to determine if ginger consumption is safe and in what quantity. Although ginger has many potential health benefits, it's crucial to remember that it's not always suitable for everyone. Care and moderation are essential when considering ginger use, especially for those with pre-existing health problems. Seeking medical guidance is the best approach to ensure personal well-being and safety. I hope this video has been informative. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. If you have any experiences with ginger and health issues, please share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.